Hi, and welcome to part 2 of my Airbus A380's model review. So I ordered a couple more models from Amazon, and today we have the GeminiJets diecast 1 to 400 scale model, and also another diecast model from Tang Dynasty. Also listed as 1 to 400, but as you can see the box is significantly smaller. So the first one I'm going to open is the Tang Dynasty one, which at 6 inches from wingtip to wingtip is really closer to 1 to 500 scale. I wish they would fix that on their listings. So it comes packaged in a plastic bag, and it comes with a clear plastic stand. Straight out of the box you can tell the paintwork is, it's not as high end. It's a little bit sloppy in places. Feels kind of just slapped on. Korean Air color, not quite a color match for I think the official airplane color, and the die-cast edges have some issues around the engines and stuff. I think you can just tell it's not as detailed a model, but $19, I mean, you're getting what you pay for. It has some detail around the spoilers, flaps. It has the little wingtips, but there's clearly some flashing and edge problems on the engines. The GeminiJets is a completely different class of model, though. I mean, just under $90 on Amazon. You're getting a completely licensed product. Comes in a beautiful presentation box with specifications and the little presentation window. So inside it's encased in a sheet of plastic, and inside there's some protection film, and then it's really tightly squeezed into that packaging, and straight away you can tell the level of detail in the paint and the model is just next level. There's the antennas along the spine of the fuselage, which don't exist on any of the models that I've seen, and the decals and paintwork are just down to such a tiny level. They're almost microscopic. As working wheels, what can I say? I mean, for this scale of model, it just contains so much detail. As far as model detail, this is the only plane that I've seen that has things modeled down to the level of the antennas on the top, and those little air vein, the veins on the engines. Everything else about this is super accurate, hands down, like most detailed model. It looks good from all these angles. The paintwork is glossy and nice. This is how small this model is. I mean, the scale is incredible. So just quickly rounding up, the Tang Dynasty diecast 1/500 scale, it's $19. You get what you pay for. But the GeminiJets was clearly the much better model, even though it's $90, but clearly completely different level of detail, and I would recommend. They actually have a 1 to 200 one, which I might review another time.